Guys, it's Joey here again, and today we're going to be doing yet another mini tutorial, and I'll be showing you how I put on my false lashes. You guys have been requesting this for a long time, so I will be using the PS Girls Only Superstar lashes, which I absolutely love because they're not too much, but they give me that extraness that I need. So the first thing you're going to need is some tweezers. You can use some regular tweezers or lash tweezers. Then you're also going to need some mascara. I'm using the Nemo Cosmetics mascara. And you're also going to need some lash glue. My favorite one is the dual green one, and also a spoolie, a clean spoolie. So I'm just showing you guys how you want to hold your lashes with your tweezers. I would say just hold them at the outer corner ends, not the inner corner or the middle, because it'll get in the way. When you're applying your glue, you want to make sure that you're spreading it evenly and not putting a large gunk of glue on your lash band, because then it's going to be irritating and annoying to put on. Next thing you want to do is apply some mascara to your natural lashes, just so that it looks a lot more natural when you actually apply the falsies on. I also like to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes just to add an extra, drama and stuff. So when applying your lashes, you want to have the tweezers right at the outer corner, just like I'm showing you here, because that's what you want to put down first. Then you want to go into the inner corner and the middle and marry them together. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and just outline my lash line so that it looks a lot more natural and you can't really see that band sitting there. This is a really important step, you guys. So the next step that you want to do is just go ahead and grab a clean spoolie, and you kind of want to just push up those lashes so that they look a lot more natural, and then you can go in with your mascara as well. So here I'm showing you how I apply it with my finger, which this is the way that I always do it. I don't really like using tweezers. It's a lot harder for me, and I have really small fingers. So it's just really, really easy for me to do it this way. Comment below and let me know what technique is easier for you, or if this is helpful. Also, make sure that you guys like this video if it is helpful for you as well. If you have any questions, feel free to message me and let me know, and I'll give you guys some suggestions. But this is pretty much how I put my lashes on. Make sure you do follow PS Girls Only, and I will be putting my discount code, ladies, so you can get your lashes too. Bye.